25 years
of giving back
to the society.
25 years
of creating opportunities,
of cherishing experiences of a lifetime.
25 years
of making a change.
And being the change.
And 25 years of love
worth celebrating.
Marking the milestone
of the Silver Jubilee
to celebrate the humble beginning.
And 25 glorious years
down the road of Project Mora.
250 members strong.
One club.
One family.
Happy 25th birthday to Track Mora.